A bill in the General Assembly could help law enforcement officers more comfortably deal with mental health crises.
TJ Anthony found out how it's aimed to better serve the people.
Law enforcement are sometimes called to respond to mental health situations which could escalate depending on a suspect's mental state. A new bill that passed the Georgia Senate with a unanimous bipartisan vote could change all of that.
It's great to see that senators and the House are recognizing that there's an issue and that they're reaching out to try to help us.
Senate Bill 361 is also known as the Less Crime Act. If it passes, the law would provide funding for law enforcement agencies that could use it for equipment, salaries, hiring officers, and training programs. The goal is to help de-escalate mental health situations that often end in tragedy.
You know, law enforcement puts on many hats, and probably if you would ask anybody, the hat of mental illness is the one that is at times very draining and very time consuming and can just wreck budgets.
2016, a Bleckley County deputy shot and killed Blake Peacock outside of his home. His mother called 911. She told them Blake said officers would have to kill him to remove him from the property. He was shot in the chest when he ran toward the home with a rifle. Now his father, Edwin, wants to help officers help people in crisis, like his son.
If you have got the authority to use deadly force, you should also have the responsibility of rendering first aid.
And they're not trained to deal with, psychiatric and mental health situations. They're trained on enforcing the law.
State Senator Larry Walker filed Bill 361. He says it will also reduce the number of shootings and tasings and protect officers as well. The bill provides a funding model so the community can support law enforcement by donating while getting state income tax credits.
You never know what you're going into. So having somebody moments after to help facilitate some things would be a great asset.
Now, if the bill passes through the Georgia House of Representatives, Governor Brian Kemp will then have 40 days to sign that bill into law. In Crawford County, this is TJ Anthony, 13 WMAZ News.
Walker's Less Crime bill passed the state Senate unanimously with both support from Democrats and Republicans.